Good afternoon. My name is Udaid Barlas from my channel Science and Command. Today is February the 13th, Saturday. Uh, and if you like my channel, please do subscribe and press the like button. It's your channel for the information. So, I'm in continuation of my episode, which is energy from order to disorder, disperse. And this is the 8th episode. In my previous episode, I told you that there was a biochemist, Albert George, who introduced the term entropy. That means the measure of the heat which is dissipated from order to disorder. And it's called entropy, and entropy is always increased, and it's in an irreversible process. Then there came the scientist whose name was Clausius. He said the cosmos also is in a process of irreversible scenarios. So whatever is being energy is being dispersed, it's not going to come back. It's irreversible. Then came Boltzmann. I talked about the Boltzmann. He was born again in 1844 and died in 1906. And he said he introduced the particle, a very tiny particle called atom. But at that time, all the other what he said that whatever is in the universe is made of atoms and tiny particles. But the critics, they said, the other scientists at his time, he said it's all his fantasies, and that is not true, because nobody has seen atom and nobody has discovered it. It's not real. So but Boltzmann, he went deeper into that, and he was right. He said the universe could be built by atomic hypothesis and understood by mathematics of probability. He continued exploring the universe under his new theory of science, his new vision, and he went deeper into the atom, and he solved the biggest mystery in science. And he said the atom could disclose why the state of thermodynamics, law of thermodynamics, was true, and why the nature is engaged in a irreversible process. That is, heat is distributed, dispersed from in one particular direction, from hot to cold, and the entropy increases. So he said the atom, because of he again disclosed that when the entropy increases, then everything is being dispersed from order to disorder. Like he said, in a container, if you he gave an example of everything is in air, whatever is there in the universe is made of tiny particles, and basically in air, he said, there are billions and trillions of atoms which are hitting here and there, and they are in the process of dispersing heat. When they hit each other, they transfer energy from one point to another. So he said that energy, that is why the object, if left alone, a hot object, say a piece of metal, hot piece of cup, a coffee cup, it will slowly disperse heat from order to disorder. Means it will disperse, it will become hotter state to the colder state. And he said that this can be because when the atoms they vibrate, they strike each other, they transfer heat energy from hotter side to the colder side, and that's how but it's a slow process. It's not immediately that heat is dispersed immediately. It takes time. So, and it disperses naturally in the in, in the colder side. So then he said this can be explained mathematically, and he said that the theory side, which can be explained very clearly, is a hypothesis and can be proved. Entropy can be proved. It can be measured in the entropy can be measured. He discovered a formula. He actually created a formula which said that the entropy can be measured. Means that in a dispersed form, when the energy is being is converting in the form of disorder, which is entropy, can be measured. So the basic thing was that he said that the energy in the form of a concentrated form, in a core form, when dispersed into an undispersed into the form of disorder, which is not, it becomes messy, which is not in the form, is in a concentrated form. So it disperses and the things becomes messy. So that's what he related to, and he said the cause for the universe is in the process of in the same process, from being order to disorder. And if it is not stopped, it will keep on dispersing the energy from order to disorder and will become more messier, and entropy will keep on increasing. And that's how he gave the example of a metal and a cup of tea and everything. The fate of a universe and everything is from order to disorder. So this is basically entropy, the universe fate. So anyways, this will be continuing in my future episodes. It's very interesting that the atom, which no one has seen, but has been proven mathematically now, that all these particles and the universe and everything which is made, even us, is a form of, we are in a form of atoms and molecules, and once we age and we disintegrate, like we go in the grave and we disintegrate. So we are in a form of order, which is us, and then when we die, we are buried, we are gone. It is in the form, we convert in the form of disorder, and the entropy increases. Okay, so nice chat. If you like my channel, please kindly subscribe and hit the like button. This is your channel. I think 2-3 more episodes will follow this topic. So energy from order, entropy, energy from disperse from order to disorder, and entropy increases. That is the fate of everything which exists in our universe and us. Okay, thank you, and see you next time. Take care and bye-bye.